Lesson 24 Explaining what you can't eat. Japanese theme is 生卵は食べられません. It means I can't eat raw eggs. First of all, let's check the skit with English subtitles. In this time, please focus on understanding the whole story. Let's begin.
いただきます。日本食は健康にいいんですよ。
これ生卵ですか？
はい。
すみません。私、生卵は食べられません。
そう。じゃあ納豆もダメ？
納豆、大好きです。
Okay, next time, please focus on Japanese pronunciation and how to read it. Let's begin.
いただきます。日本食は健康にいいんですよ。
これ生卵ですか？
はい。
すみません。私、生卵は食べられません。
そう。じゃあ納豆もダメ？
納豆、大好きです。
Okay, then let's check the vocabularies from the skit. Okay, let's check the word. Please repeat after me. The first word is いただきます. Good. Okay, so let's check this word. Okay, and I will introduce one more example sentence. Please repeat after me. ごちそうさまでした. Good. Actually, いただきます and ごちそうさまでした is the pair of greetings used in, eating something. So when we have the meal, at a time we say いただきます. After eating the meal, we say ごちそうさまでした every time. That's the Japanese culture. So please remember both phrases. Okay, next one. Please repeat after me. 日本食健康いい Tam-san said like that. Okay, please repeat after me. 日本食は健康にいいんですよ. Good. It means Japanese food is good for your health. 日本食は健康にいいんですよ. Okay, next one. これ生卵 Okay, Tam-san said like that. Please repeat after me. これ生卵ですか? Good, it means is this a raw egg? これ生卵ですか? I think that's the Japanese unique culture. Japanese people eat raw eggs as a breakfast. Okay, so next one. Please repeat after me. すみません。私、食べる。Good. Tam-san said like that. Okay, please repeat after me. すみません。私、生卵は食べられません。Good. It means, sorry, I can't eat raw eggs. すみません。私、生卵は食べられません。Okay, so next one. そう。じゃあ、納豆、ダメ。Tam-san asked like that. Okay, please repeat after me. そう、じゃあ納豆もダメ? Good. Okay, so you can't eat 納豆 as well. So じゃあ納豆もダメ. So means okay. じゃあ means so or then. 納豆もダメ. ダメ means not okay. So 納豆 is not okay for you. 納豆もダメ. Okay, next one. 大好き. She said like that. Here. Please repeat after me. 納豆大好きです. Good. It means I love natto. Okay, great. That's the new vocabularies. So let's move on to the next section. In this section, let's read the whole sentence together. You can understand how to read the Japanese pronunciation, and what's more, you can improve your Japanese pronunciation. Anyway, let's get this started. Please repeat after me. いただきます。日本食は健康にいいんですよ。これ、生卵ですか？はい。すみません。私、生卵は食べられません。そう、じゃあ納豆もダメ？納豆大好きです。Okay, good. So let's move on to the next section. In this section, I will explain Japanese grammar. Today's key phrase is about explaining what you can't eat. The example sentence is 生卵は食べられません. It means I can't eat raw eggs. To express what you can't eat, say food は食べられません or I can't eat food. 食べられません is the polite negative form of 食べられる, the potential form of the verb 食べる or to eat. Okay, explaining what you can't drink. The verb 飲む or to drink is the potential form is 飲める or can drink. The negative polite form of that is 飲めません or can't drink. So to express what you can't drink, say the name of the drink は飲めません or I can't drink the name of drink. Okay, anyway, let's check the example sentence. Here. Okay, please repeat after me. 納豆は食べられません. Good. It means just I can't eat natto. Okay, another example sentence. Here, please repeat after me. わさびは食べられません. Good. It means I can't eat wasabi. And next one, please repeat after me. 生卵は食べられません. Sorry, again. 生魚は食べられません. Good. It means I can't eat raw fish. And next one. Just the 生卵. Okay, please repeat after me. 生卵は食べられません. Good. It means I can't eat raw eggs. Anyway, grammar is very simple. The food は食べられません. I can't eat food. So when you go to a Japanese restaurant or something, you can express what you can't eat by using this phrase. Blah blah は食べられません. For example, like when you go to the Japanese sushi restaurant, at the time you can say like, I can't eat wasabi. Wasabi は食べられません. Okay, next one. Here, please repeat after me. ビールは飲めません. Good. It means I can't drink beer. Okay, so next one. Here, please repeat after me. 焼酎は飲めません. Good. It means I can drink shochu. Okay. Another example sentence is here. Please repeat after me. 炭酸は飲めません。Good. It means I can drink soda. That's you can express what you can't drink. Blah blah は飲めません。Right? I can drink beer. ビールは飲めません。I can drink 焼酎。焼酎は飲めません。I can drink soda. 炭酸は飲めません。Like that. So by using these phrases, you can express what you can't eat or drink. Okay, let's back to the explanation. As for particle wa or ga, in this skit, the food Tom is talking about is right in front of her. So the topic mark particle wa is used. As in blah blah wa 食べられません. If you want to say for the first time that you can eat something, as in responding to a question, and the food itself is not in sight, use the particle ga, that's food, ga 食べられません, or I can eat. Okay, that's all. Let's move on to the next section. In this section, please try to read the short dialogue, which include a key phrase. Okay, please repeat after me. どうぞたくさん食べてください。すみません。私、刺身は食べられません。Great. So, the woman answered like, 私、刺身は食べられません。I can't eat raw fish. Grammar is just the food は食べられません。And you also can put the subject at the beginning of the sentence, like 私は刺身は食べられません or 私刺身は食べられません whichever are okay. So let's move on to the next section. In this section, please try to translate 3 English sentences into Japanese. Let's check the number 1. I'm sorry, I can't eat shrimp. Shrimp is ebi in Japanese, and the grammar is just the blah blah は食べられません. Right? So answer is here. Please repeat after me. すみません。私、エビは食べられません。Great. Let's move on to the next one. I'm sorry, I can't eat pork. Okay, pork is 豚肉 in Japanese. Okay, so answer is here. Please repeat after me. すみません。私、豚肉は食べられません。Okay, great. So let's move on to the last one. I'm sorry, I can't drink alcoholic beverages. So, alcoholic beverages is お酒 in Japanese. So you can say like that. Please repeat after me. すみません。私、お酒は飲めません。Okay, great. When you want to express what you can't drink, the grammar is just the blah blah は飲めません。I can drink blah blah. Okay, we finished all of the questions. So let's move on to the next section. Today's bonus phrase is here. Please repeat after me. いただきます。Good. It means literally, let's eat. But then this greeting has the hidden meaning like, I'm grateful for this meal. So people say this phrase before eating. It expresses thanks to those who prepare the meal. Once the meal is over, it's customary to say ごちそうさまでした. Okay, so we've finished most of the activities. Lastly, let's review today's lesson. In the skit section, please focus on understanding the whole story in Japanese. What's more, let's check the trick tip and the kanji section as well. Let's get this started.
Easy Japanese. Give it a try.
いただきます。
日本食は健康にいいんですよ。
これ、生卵ですか？
はい。
すみません。私、生卵は食べられません。
そう。じゃあ納豆もダメ？
納豆大好きです。
Natto is fermented soybeans. Eating it is a Japanese tradition. Raw eggs too.
They're said to be good for your health.
Tam said, 生卵は食べられません. I can't eat raw eggs. If there's something you can't eat or don't want to, say the name of the item and は食べられません.
乾杯。このパスタ美味しそうですね。
パスタは食べられません。ダイエット中です。
野菜は食べないんですか？
野菜は食べられません。苦手なんです。
こっちに卵のスープもありますよ。
卵は食べられません。アレルギーなんです。
Use the phrase to manage your culinary opportunities in Japan. Now the pronunciation. 生卵は食べられません。生卵は食べられません。
Trick tip. Safety standards for eggs sold in Japan ensure they are edible without being cooked. Raw eggs are often mixed with natto. Beaten eggs are almost always served with sukiyaki. Probably the simplest way of eating them is with white rice and a bit of soy sauce. You can buy fresh eggs at supermarkets and convenience stores. Today's kanji. Tamago, meaning egg.
You're making progress. Easy Japanese will help you master dozens of useful phrases, so stick with it. 頑張って!
Okay, that's it. That's lesson 24, explaining what you can't eat. I hope you learned something new from today's lesson. Thank you for having my class. See you next time.